In the depths of the sea lies a heart, not just of a man, but of a curse that refuses to die. A heart that could end it all, or begin a nightmare anew.
The past never lets go, neither do I. A map to the impossible and the likely fatal.
This heart doesn't belong to you, Sparrow. It belongs to the sea.
Well, isn't this a lovely reunion of the damned?
Legends die, Sparrow, but curses, they live forever.
The tide turns, but I never do. Not without a fight.
We're both cursed, Sparrow. The only question is, who breaks first?
Perhaps the sea finally learned even legends deserve their rest.
Where one story ends, another always begins.